Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Premium. Now this vehicle comes with the factory night package. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You can even see the silver AMG brake calipers just behind. We have the Cosmos black exterior paintwork, the LED high performance headlights. You'll find the AMG badging on the front grille. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We have the colour-coded door mirrors, the chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the rear spoiler, which sits nice and flush with the rest of the body. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the Parktronic as well. At the rear you'll find the dual exit exhaust, which sound just incredible. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's take a look at the interior now. Coming into the back you'll find the full leather interior. We have the grey stitching, foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there. In the centre you'll find the vents for the rear passengers along with some storage space and two Type-C USB ports. Over here you'll find the storage nets behind the front seats. We have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior with the grey stitching. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Onto the doors you'll find the heated seat button. We also have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows, we'll try that for the rear, electric power folding mirrors as well. Down here you'll find the auto lights. We also have a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. Speed limiter and cruise control just there. There's a look at the digital dashboard and the main infotainment screen just there, which has the likes of sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have ambient lighting and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you very much for watching.